Hello, my name is Andy Williams. You've caught me on one of my days off, but I believe that this training that we're going to be doing on the 6th of October is so important that I want to get this very short promotional video put together now. There is new guidance, new nice guidance on how suicidality and self-harm should be conceptualized and responded to. There are some really new ideas about structured professional judgment as opposed to using old-fashioned risk assessment tools. And how we manage risk is really being brought into a new way of thinking in 2023, which I would say is humanistic and very bespoke and very personalised. I really hope that you feel these areas are as important as I do, and I would invite you to come and join me on the 6th of October for some live online training. By live, I mean that it will be contemporaneous, and we will encourage everyone to be participating as they connect online. So I very much hope that you'll feel able to sign up and come and join me on the 6th of October. All the best for now. Bye-bye.